I think these are the nicest floor mats I've probably ever had in a car or truck, anything I've ever had. Wow, that looks nice. All right, this is just a comparison here. This is the old floor mats that I had in my Tundra. These are the new ones. I wasn't sure about these floor mats. They wanted to send me these. So I finally decided, okay, send me the floor mats. But these things are really flipping nice. I've never seen floor mats like this. It's almost like I'm gonna call them, they're like winter floor mats and summer floor mats. Or like quick cleaning up floor mats. But let me see how good they fit, because I've never even put them in there yet. This is the driver's side, but because it comes with these little pieces of carpet that clip on. See, you can take them out, just leave the plastic in if you want, or you can pop the carpet back in. It just snaps on there. That's really slick. Even the back one, I think, looks better, really. Like, look at this thing. This is my old back one, and it never really fit right. This thing didn't fit right. This new one's gonna have it's gonna overlap better. I can see that already. They're really nice, thick rubber. All right, let me put these in and we'll see how they fit. Let's start with my driver's side. The driver's side is the only one that has these little clips, I think, at least in my truck. So this is the driver's side. I gotta clip them in place. There's a little piece of paper under there. Oh, gotta move that. Turn that one, turn that one. Look at that. That's freaking nice. See, I like how they overlap right there, especially for like the winter. Now I believe these are also going to be nice, because then when I just want to do a quick cleanup type thing, you can just pop this carpet out, shake it out, maybe vacuum the carpet up and stick it back in. But that's going to make them more comfortable. Wow, that looks nice. Let me put this up. All right, before I go to the passenger side, let me try this one. My kids always messed up my other one, so hopefully they don't mess this one up as bad. It looks like it's gonna fit in here better. Yeah, see how that, I think, let me go on the other side. I think after that sits for a little bit, I think that'll lay down better, I hope. I think so. See, yeah, it fits better in the center. Right here, the OEM one never fit right here. So that's better. It looks like they're gonna be harder to move around because they hit like the legs of my front passenger and driver's seat. It actually goes up against that. So that's good. These fit a little better. I think after they sit a little bit, hopefully that other piece will flop down better. Other than that, I mean, that doesn't really even bother me that much. I like how they fit in here better. That's nice. Because once it gets to be like 120 degrees in here, I think that'll drop down in better. These are, I don't know if I even said that yet, these are the 3W floor mats. Actually, I bought these for my last Tundra. That's good. See, I like how that overlaps right there. The OEM ones did not do that. And I really like this carpet. That's really nice. See, 3W Auto Life. All right, well, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you these floor mats, and I definitely highly recommend these. You'd be very, very happy. I think these are the nicest floor mats I've probably ever had in a car or truck, anything I've ever had. At least so for that's my first impression. They're really, really nice. Actually, the other ones I had from my other truck lasted forever, so I'm sure I'm still gonna love them 6 months down the road. So if you guys do want to check out some of these, I will have some of these floor mats to this Toyota Tundra right down in my description and in my first comment. And if there's any discount codes, or if there's any like websites or whatever, I'll throw all that down there also, along with a few other things that I have bought for this truck. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, even if it's saying anything. Say, I like your truck. Say, I like your beard. Tell me this video was too flipping long. I don't know, whatever you want to tell me. So Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and stay awesome, people. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, it does come with an air freshener. 2 of them. Smells pretty dang good.